In a bid to mask the grim reality in occupied Kashmir, India has invited around 20 foreign diplomats from the prominent nations including the US, France and Germany to witness the contentious elections in the disputed territory. This cunningly crafted two-day trip, set to begin on September 25th, aims to manipulate the global perception and downplay the escalating tensions in the UN-recognized disputed territory. Congress chief Tariq Hamid Karra has slammed the BJP, saying that the fascist BJP transformed the occupied Kashmir from a thriving tourism hub to an experiment laboratory testing for its nefarious designs. Karra, in a statement, has strongly reacted to the claims made by the BJP leaders regarding the transformation in occupied Kashmir. Congress MP Nasir Hussain has said that the Bharatiya Janata Party is promoting independence to create chaos and uncertainty in the upcoming so-called elections for occupied Kashmir. Hussain, in a statement, urged the people to thwart the Hindutva party's design with unity. India has launched night operations in the Ladakh high-altitude areas using the Dhruv helicopters amidst escalating tensions with China along the line of actual control. This move, seen as a strategic response to China's increased military presence and infrastructure development in the region, which has left India high and dry. An Indian Army driver lost his life in a road accident in the Kupwara district, marking the latest in a series of the accidents involving the Indian Army vehicles in the territory over the past few days. Siddharth Chib, a JCB operator from the 173 Engineering Unit, died on the spot when he lost control while operating in the Nogam sector. New York saw a wave of the protests as the Kashmiris and the Sikhs condemned the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's arrival at the New York to attend the United Nations General Assembly 79th session. The demonstrators labelled Modi unwelcome, citing his role in killings in occupied Kashmir and abroad, including Canada and the United States.